Come on, somebody lift up your hands and bless the Lord. I want you to put your hands together this evening. We're gonna give God the glory. And as we celebrate and say happy birthday Jamaica, we want to thank God for what He has been doing for us. Come on, put your hands together. I've walked through blazing fire. I've sailed the roughest seas. Live to tell you it was worth it, 'cause you're gonna get the glory. Seen battles by the thousands, seen both lost and victory. In the end, it's what matters, 'cause you're gonna get the glory. 'Cause I'm not moved by what I see. I know you're moving, I know you're using this. I'm here to sing your victory, 'cause you're gonna get the glory. You're gonna get the glory out of it. Come on, let's do it together this evening. I've crossed through blazing fire. I've sailed the roughest sea. Live to tell you it was worth it. You're gonna get the glory. Somebody say, seen battles by the thousand, seen both lost and victory. In the end, you see what matters. You're gonna get the glory. 'Cause I'm not moved by what I see. I know, yes, I know I'm here. 'Cause you're gonna get the glory. You're gonna get the glory out of it. Come on, whatever you're going through, God is gonna get the glory out of it. So put your hands together while we say one more time. I've walked through blazing fire. I've sailed the roughest sea. Live to tell you it was worth it. You're gonna get the glory. Seen battles by the thousand, see more lost and victory. In the end, you're gonna get the glory. 'Cause I'm not moved. 'Cause I'm not moved by what I see. God's hand, I know. I live. Yes, you're gonna get the glory. You're gonna get the glory out of it. Come on, let's sing this evening. Come on. I don't need to understand. God, I trust your plan, that it's working for my good. Here I am with outstretched hands, confident that it's working for me. Let's say, I don't need to understand. God, I trust your plan, that it's working for my good. Yes, here I am with outstretched hands. Yes, I am confident that it's working for my good. That it's working for my good. Somebody say it's working. That it's working for my good. Say it again. That it's working for my good. 'Cause I'm not moved by what I see. God's hand is moving. I know you're using it. I'm here to sing your victory. 'Cause you're gonna get the glory. You're gonna get the glory out of it. If you're a winner this evening, I want you to help us say, already won. You won, you won, you won. I need to hear you say you won.
You've already won.
Jesus did it for me.
You've already won.
Somebody say, you won, you won, you won, you already won. You won, you won, you won.
You've already won.
Say you glory. You're gonna get the 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 glory out of it. Somebody shout hallelujah. Whatever you're going through, don't worry about it, because God is gonna get the glory out of it.